Sunlight is not the only light on Earth. Some creatures carry stars inside their own bodies. Fireflies from the Lamperidae family produce light through a chemical reaction between luciferin, luciferase, and oxygen inside special organs on the abdomen called photophores. Almost all energy is converted directly into light with almost no heat loss, making the process extremely efficient. At night, males and females communicate through precise flashing rhythms above tall grass. Each species has its own language of light. But not every signal is honest. Some predatory females imitate the flashes of other species to lure males close enough to attack and eat them. For survival, bioluminescence serves several critical functions. It helps attract mates, warns predators that many fireflies are toxic, and allows larvae to attract small prey in darkness. Fireflies can instantly switch their light on and off, conserving energy while avoiding unwanted attention. In nature, light is more than beauty. It is communication, deception, and survival, glowing in the dark. Inside the Waitomo caves of New Zealand live the larvae of fungus gnats called Arachnocampa luminosa. In the darkness, they create one of the strangest hunting systems in nature. From the cave ceiling, each larva hangs dozens of long silk threads covered with sticky mucus droplets. At the same time, the body emits a cold blue bioluminescent glow produced through the oxidation of luciferin inside specialized organs. To small insects flying through the cave, the ceiling looks like a sky filled with stars. But the light is a trap. The hungrier the larva becomes, the brighter it glows, increasing the chance of attracting prey in the resource-poor cave environment. When an insect touches one of the sticky threads, it becomes trapped instantly. The larva then pulls the thread upward and slowly consumes its prey. These organisms can remain in the same position for many months, covering entire cave ceilings with thousands of glowing blue lights. This adaptation allows them to survive in complete darkness, where sunlight never reaches and food is extremely limited. In the Waitomo caves, the stars are alive, and they are hunting. In the deep ocean, where sunlight never reaches, live lanternfish from the Myctophidae family. Their world exists in almost complete darkness, where light becomes one of the most important tools for survival. Their bodies contain hundreds of photophores, specialized organs that produce bioluminescence. The brightest one is located on the head and glows like a small underwater lantern. Using specialized cells and crystalline reflectors, lanternfish can control the brightness and color of their light. Some species even rely on symbiotic glowing bacteria. For survival, this light serves several critical functions. Lanternfish use counter-illumination to blend in to faint surface light filtering from above, hiding their silhouette from predators below. They also communicate through glowing patterns, attract prey in the darkness, and confuse predators with sudden flashes of light. In the deep sea, where darkness never ends, the ability to create and control light can mean the difference between life and death.
In coastal waters around the world live microscopic organisms known as dinoflagellates, including the species Noctiluca scintillans. Individually, they are almost invisible, but together they can transform entire coastlines into glowing rivers of blue light. When the water moves, from waves, boats, fish, or even a human hand, these organisms instantly produce flashes of bioluminescence. The reaction is triggered by mechanical disturbance and takes place inside specialized structures within the cell. Each organism emits only a brief pulse of light, but billions flashing simultaneously create the effect of a living galaxy inside the ocean. For survival, this light acts as an early warning and defense system. The sudden flashes can startle small predators and attract larger hunters that may attack whatever is feeding on the plankton. The glowing bursts can also disorient attackers in the darkness, giving the microscopic organisms a chance to survive. This collective adaptation helps enormous plankton populations endure constant predation in open water. What appears beautiful from the shoreline is in reality millions of tiny organisms using light as a weapon against the darkness of the ocean.
In the tropical forests of Brazil and Argentina lives the larva of the railroad worm, Phrixothrix. Its body contains 2 rows of glowing green lights and 2 bright red headlights on the head. The lights are produced independently in different organs, allowing the larva to create multiple glowing signals at the same time. Red bioluminescence is extremely rare among land organisms and may help intimidate predators during the night. The green light likely assists with hunting, communication, and navigation through dense rainforest litter. The railroad worm is active mostly after sunset, moving through wet leaves in near total darkness. It feeds on small insects and snails while avoiding predators such as birds and lizards. Its glowing body may also function as a warning signal, showing that the organism could be toxic or dangerous to eat. This complex adaptation helps the species survive in one of the most competitive ecosystems on Earth, the tropical rainforest. In nature, light is more than beauty. It can attract, warn, deceive, or hunt. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.